Of all the chemical reactions I've done, this is the only one I truly think looks like magic. It's called the exploding snake, and when I first saw it, I kinda just sat there stunned while I tried to figure out what happened.
So, the exploding snake reaction can easily be done in the lab by reacting sugar, white sugar, with concentrated sulfuric acid. But before we move there, first things first, you must not try this experiment at home. If you must try it in the lab, make sure you put on your protective. So, what is happening here in this experiment we saw, instead of using sugar, they have used para-nitroaniline, but it's still being reacted with sulfuric acid. And what you get from that is carbon, you get solid organic remains, you get water vapor, you get carbon dioxide, and you get sulfur dioxide. All these build up the products of breakdown into a big, enormous black snake. Remember, you must not try this experiment at home.